How to enable or use voice typing in Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. First of all, open settings, scroll down, click on general management, click on keyboard. Now here you will see Google voice typing. And if you want to enable Google voice typing, then turn on this button. After turning on this button, enable voice typing from your phone. Now go back, open Messages app. Now in Messages app, select conversation, click on text messages box. Now here you will see microphone. Now click on microphone. Now tap to record your voice. Now record voice. Now click on attach. This is how you can enable or use voice typing in Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. I hope you like this video and thanks for watching this video.